Good morning, students. This is Babli Yadav from Rishi Public School, your teacher of English. Students, the poem that I have chosen today to discuss with you is The Tale of Custard the Dragon, written by Ogden Nash. The poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon is written in the style of a ballad. Students, a ballad is a song or a poem that tells a story, usually about courage or valor or heroism. But this poem is a humorous ballad which is quite close to a parody. In the poem, Belinda lived in a little white house with a little black kitten called Ink, a little grey mouse called Blink, a little yellow dog called Mustard, and a little pet dragon called Custard. Students, now discuss about the detailed summary of the poem. The poem starts by telling us that Belinda lived in a little white house. With her lived a little black kitten called Ink, a little grey mouse called Blink, a little yellow dog called Mustard, and a little pet dragon called Custard. The dragon named Custard had big, sharp teeth with thin pointed spikes on top of him, and underneath he had the small overlapping plates or scales which protected his skin. His mouth was like a fireplace, his nose was like a chimney, and there were sharp points like a dagger on his toes. Furthermore, the poet says that Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, while Ink and Blink chased lions down the stairs. Even Mustard the dog was as brave as a tiger who was on a rampage, but on the other hand, Custard would always cry for a nice safe cage. So he was considered to be a coward by everyone else in the house, and they would be rude or rather unmerciful to him and would even laugh at him for his timid ways. But one day they all heard an unpleasant sound in the house, and they all looked around for the source. It turned out that the sound was made by a pirate who was climbing into the house through the window. The pirate had a pistol in his left hand and another pistol in his right hand, and there was even a short sword between his teeth. This pirate with the black beard and one wooden leg had obviously not come into the house with good intentions. Therefore, on seeing the pirate, Belinda became pale and cried for help, while Mustard, Ink and Blink ran away to save themselves, but Custard jumped up, emitting an explosive sound like that of an engine. He clashed his tail, and with a loud rattling sound he went to the pirate. Meanwhile, the pirate stared at the dragon with his mouth wide open in amazement and gulped a drink to calm himself. Then he fired 2 bullets at the dragon, but they did not hit Custard. At that moment, Custard immediately ate the pirate hurriedly, noisily, and completely. As soon as the intruder was taken care of, Belinda embraced Custard while Mustard licked him, and no one mourned the dead pirate. Even Ink and Blink moved around Custard with happiness. Later, the little dog Mustard said that he would have been twice as brave had he not been confused. Ink and Blink also said that they would have been 3 times as brave. On the other hand, Custard agreed that everybody was braver than him. Now they still live as they used to live with the others, boasting about their bravery, while Custard still cries for a nice safe case. Thank you. Have a nice day.